I'm Joe McSpadden. I have been in business for about 3 years, and my territory is in Atlanta. I have 2 territories in the Atlanta metro area. The ability to grow something, take something, nurture it, develop it, and that's what I saw an opportunity for with 5 Star Bath. I thought there was a lot of potential to expand this product and service. And I also thought it was something that would be in demand, and it has been. I do a lot of research with just about any decision I have to make, and this was no different. I mean, I took a long time. I talked to a lot of people. 5 Star Bath kind of really stood out from the others, and in a number of ways. The sense of organization. This was not the first time that they had done this. You could tell it wasn't their first rodeo. I could tell that from the first conversation I had over the phone. There was no sense of high pressure. There was a real genuine investigation and level of honesty about whether this was a good fit for me and for them. I also think that the product is one that is legitimately needed, and it's something that I wouldn't have even known how much it's needed until I became a franchisee. I suspected it would be, and that has proved itself to be the case. I'm in customers' homes quite a bit. I'm interacting with my technicians, sometimes stopping by projects while they're in progress. And then also working from the home office, sometimes taking care of estimates from the couch. And so it's a real wide array of experiences and demands, and I like that about it. It's constantly challenging, and every single day is truly different. If you are dependable, if you're on time, if you're good with communication, it's an area where you can actually do some very basic things and stand out from the competition, especially if you take the time with the customer to hear what they want and sort of flesh out and design what it is that they're looking for. They really appreciate that. Biggest advice I give, and I've talked to a lot of potential franchisees, is to be flexible, to be the kind of person that's willing and eager to learn. If you are interested in learning something new, if you're interested in challenging yourself, and if you're interested in finding something that literally will continually challenge you, because I feel like I could own this franchise for 20 years and still be learning on a daily basis. There are a lot of resources that 5 Star offers, and in particular, the advice that we get from the home office. So there's a lot to learn, and I soaked up a lot of that early on. And there was always somebody there, in particular, it's Dean. Anyone in the company knows it's Dean, but there was always someone you could call when you needed someone to call. I think being willing to do whatever that day required to come out of the other side of it and grow, I think that has really helped me out quite a bit.